How to fix no sound in laptop or PC in Windows. So if you want to fix no sound in laptop or PC in your Windows, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings. So search for settings on your search bar and then click on settings option. And once you're on your settings, you need to go with system, which will be on the left side, and then go with sound, which will be on the right side. And once you click on sound here, as you can see that you will have the output option. Under output, you will have speakers and then virtual speakers. So make sure that you've selected the speakers option, the correct one, and then make sure the volume is 100%. Now you need to scroll down a bit and then you will have an option of more sound settings. You need to click on that. You will have this option pop out. Now once you have this kind of interface, you need to go with the speakers section. You need to right click on speakers and then you need to go with disable. Once you disable the speakers, you need to again right click on it and then go with enable. After disabling and enabling the speakers, your problem might be fixed. You need to go with apply and OK. And once done, check your sound and your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with the second method, which is you need to search for services. After searching, you need to click on that services option. Now, once you're on your services, you need to just simply click on any service that you're comfortable with and then press W on your keyboard and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now, you need to just simply go and find Windows Audio. Once you find the Windows Audio, on the bottom of that, you'll have Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. You need to just click on these two services. So first, you need to go with Windows Audio and right click on it and you will have an option of start. You need to go and start, and once you've started the service, you need to go with restart the service. After restarting the service, you need to go with the second one, which is Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right click on it or go with the left side and then go with restart the service. After restarting these two services, you need to just go back and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next method, which is you need to search for device manager and then click on device manager. You'll get this kind of interface. You need to go with view and then select show hidden devices and it will show all of the hidden devices as well. Now you need to go with audio input and outputs, and here you will have Realtek audio speakers. You need to right click on that and then go with uninstall device. After uninstalling the device right here, you need to just scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option of sound, video, and game controllers. You need to click on that again and then you will have the Realtek audio as well. You need to right click on that and then again go with uninstall device. Once you do that, you need to go back and then restart the device. And after restarting, it will automatically install the drivers again and your problem will be fixed. But make sure to restart. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.